How to fix video call problem in Messenger on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can fix video call problem on Messenger on Android, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to fix the video call problem on the Messenger app on Android, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is, let's say that you are trying to open Messenger and trying to make a video call with one of your friends or families and you're not being able to do so. It's most likely due to two errors. One is it lacks a camera permission, the other is it lacks the microphone permission. Now for this you have to allow the Messenger app to have both of these permissions, and in order to do this you can try opening the settings application. By the way, if you are on iPhone, this process could be a little bit different because you might have to go to the permissions tab. As for Android users, you have to look for the option known as apps, as you would be able to find here. Once you are on the application section here, you want to simply look for the Messenger app, or you can simply use the search bar at the top. So look for Messenger and tap on it. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to come to storage and make sure to clear the cache files. You can try to clear the data, but that is going to log you out of Messenger, so you have to log in back again. After you do that, you can come back here and then you can go to permissions. Now think about it this way: whenever you're on a video call, what does your phone use? Your phone uses your camera and your phone uses your microphone. When the Messenger app is not able to use either of these and it doesn't have the permission to allow these, then in that case it will not be able to place a video call. So for this it's very simple. Go to camera and make sure that you have set the permission to allow while using the app, and similarly you can go to microphone permission, set this to allow while using the app. You can repeat the process for this phone application as well. You can set this to allow. Now even after you've done all this, it's not solving the problem. In that case, open Messenger, search for the Messenger application inside the Play Store, check if it has an update. If it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully this video helps you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.